Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have Suzuki Wagon. This vehicle has a problem with check engine. Look at the dashboard. We have check engine. Let me stop the vehicle. See, we have a check engine on the dashboard. Everything's working perfect, but the problem is check engine. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. So using my diagnostic machine here, I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. Why there is check engine on the dashboard. So auto scan. So use wagon R. Okay. So under engine. Red. So here the main fault code is P0010, which is a camshaft position actuator circuit open bank 1. So let's go and confirm. Let me try to clear the fault code before we do anything. Let me clear the fault code, make sure the ignition engine is off. Like that. So let me clear the fault code again. It has been cleared. Let me read again. There's no any fault code on the system. Let me try to start the vehicle. We still have the check engine on the dashboard. So let me try to read again. The fault code is still the same. So according to this camshaft position actuator circuit open or bank 1, the problem can be the open circuit or timing or the camshaft sensor, the camshaft position actuator sensor. So let's go. So we have two camshafts here. This is the A camshaft actuator sensor which has a problem. Then we have B camshaft actuator sensors. We normally call it the VVTi. It helps to regulate oil that enter into the camshaft sensors. So what we are going to do, this is the pin of actuator sensor A, and it has a problem with the open circuit. So I'm going to use my tester here to confirm the ignition, which is 12 voltage. So right now we don't have 12 voltage, so the problem is open circuit. Another thing, the 5 voltage reference it has. So the main problem is 12 volts from the ECU. So the problem can be the open circuit or the ECU. The sensor doesn't have a problem. So before we do that, I'm going through. So you see, we find out that there is an open circuit caused by the fan belt. It was cut by the fan belt. So I'm going to join those two wires. After joining, I had to tape it like this. So I had to make sure everything's okay as usual. But the main problem was open circuit that caused by the belt. Right now we have 12 volts, which is ignition. Right now it's okay. So in that socket we have 5 volt reference and we have ignition, which is 12 volts. So right now everything is okay. So next is to go back to clear fault code from the system. The problem was open circuit. So the next step, I'm going to clear that fault code from the system, the P0010. So I have to clear that fault code. I usually want to clear the fault memory. Okay, the details have been cleared. Okay, let me read again. Right now we don't have any fault code on the system. Let me try to start the vehicle. So right now we don't have any check engine on the dashboard. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.